In today's video, I'm going to show you how to plan your Instagram feed using Canva. If you want to make your personal or brand feed more visually appealing, Canva is a fantastic tool to streamline your content creation process. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to Canva's website. In the search bar at the top, type Instagram feed. This simple step will open a variety of templates specifically designed for Instagram. Canva offers a wide range of styles, from sleek, modern designs to fun and colorful layouts. So take a moment to browse and find one that matches your personal or brand aesthetic. Once you've found a template you like, click on it and select Customize this template. This opens the design editor where you can start tailoring it to your unique style. You can adjust colors, add your own images, or tweak the layout itself. Canva's drag and drop interface is intuitive and user-friendly, so you don't need any design expertise to get started. One of Canva's best features is the ability to edit text easily. If the template includes text blocks, simply click on them and insert your own words. This is perfect for maintaining a consistent tone across your feed. Whether you're sharing motivational quotes, promoting a product, or adding personal captions. As you work, remember that Canva automatically saves your progress, allowing you to return and make adjustments anytime. Take the time to experiment with fonts, colors, images, and layout until you capture exactly the look you want. This flexibility lets you play around with ideas before committing to your final post. Before finishing, review the overall alignment and composition. Instagram is a highly visual platform, so having a cohesive, attractive feed can significantly enhance your presence. Once satisfied, you can download your designs or post directly to Instagram if you have the Canva app on your mobile device. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to plan a stunning Instagram feed using Canva. With a little practice, you'll be creating professional level designs that impress your followers and leave a lasting impression.